Welcome back to Guy Stuff. Today we're doing keto butter chicken, and this is beautiful because all you need to make it keto is swapping out the rice. We're gonna start with 4 pounds of chicken thighs. I'm using boneless, skinless. You could also use bone-in. We want to take off the large chunks of fat, but you can leave the little ones. Those are okay for flavor. We're looking for 3 to 4 2-inch chunks out of each piece of meat. Now to make the marinating sauce, we're gonna use 2 cups of Greek yogurt. Don't use the flavored, you just want plain. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. This will help really start tenderizing the meat. 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and then a big tablespoon of salt. We can add some more later just to season to taste. Mix it all very well together, get those flavors melding. Now we're going to put in our chicken. We want to make sure that each piece is fully coated. This is what's going to impart all the great flavors into the meat itself and really help make it tender later on in the dish. Wrap it up. We're going to put this in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours. Overnight is even better. Now we're going to finally dice 2 medium onions. Go ahead and peel and mince a couple tablespoons worth of fresh ginger. We're going to melt 2 sticks of butter. We're gonna do this over medium heat, and we're gonna go just until it stops foaming. You can also use ghee for this, but it is a lot more expensive than butter. Next in go our onions. Now we need to cook these over medium heat for about 10 minutes until they turn very soft and translucent. We don't want them brown yet at this point, so make sure you're stirring very frequently. In goes our ginger and 6 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we need to stir this again frequently for about 10 minutes until the onions just start to brown. We're gonna put in 15 ounces of tomato puree, give it a stir to bring it up to temp just for a few minutes. Then we're gonna add in our chicken mixture out of the fridge. Make sure to get all of that delicious sauce going. Just mix it in really well, start to bring it in together. We wanna simmer this for a good 20 minutes. Then we can add 1 cup of chicken stock, stir it in, simmer it for another half an hour, and this will give us the most tender meat. You can do it a little bit less if you like your meat on the firmer side. I like it nice and falling apart. In goes 2 cups of heavy cream, and now 4 tablespoons of almond flour. This is very keto friendly in moderation. This is really gonna help thicken up the sauce. Stir that together, give that a good simmer for another half an hour. Plate up some steamed riced cauliflower. Here's a tip with that, make sure it's hot. When it starts to cool off, it doesn't taste so good. Now I like mine just in a bowl. Of course, it's best with some naan or your favorite keto flatbread. I'll have a recipe for that coming up soon. But this is absolutely delicious. You can see the chicken just falls apart and it is delicious. See you guys next time.